Hello, I'm Crypto Angela Baby. Welcome to another episode of weekly crypto news that gets referenced from Coin Daily News. Before we start, you must always remember that crypto is a high-risk investment, so please do your research before taking any actions. Again, I'm just sharing crypto news based on my personal interest and definitely will not be responsible for any of your loss. On the 30th of April, the creators of BAYC, Yuga Labs, revealed the Otherside Metaverse virtual land sale. The sale raised close to $320 million by selling 55,000 parcels of Otherside land, which turned out to be one of the largest NFT mints to date. However, due to the high demand, it has prompted higher Ethereum fees, leading to a dramatic increase in average Ether gas fees, costing roughly $176 million. The on-chain KYC did not reduce demand, and the number of purchases far exceeded expectations, causing the Blockchain Explorer Etherscan to crash. In the announcement, Yuga Labs apologized for a series of problems and explained that ApeCoin needs to utilize a different blockchain to scale properly. Yuga Labs also said that it will refund gas fees to those users who failed during the transaction process. Moving forward, blockchain technology featured prominently at this year's Game Developers Conference, where companies promoted the prospect of digital ownership of game assets with NFTs. For example, players who purchase an item in one game could potentially use it in another game or resell it later for real value. However, despite the enthusiasm of these major publishers, many of their developers feel that NFTs constitute exploitation of gamers' trust or could create tier communities that would benefit the wealthiest players. In light of the conflicting perspectives and interests, an independent group from Minecraft maker Mojang Studios have drafted a pledge on digital ownership. Signing the pledge will require publishers to be fully aware of the implications of integrating NFTs and cryptocurrencies into their video games before implementing them. They must also adhere to ethical considerations such as foregoing practices that lead to artificial scarcity and speculation. Up next, as South Korean business newspaper Hankyung reported, Samsung Asset Management, Korea's largest asset manager, plans to list a blockchain-focused ETF in Hong Kong before July. Samsung Asset Management recently acquired a 20% stake in Amplify for $30 million and secured exclusive sales rights for Amplify's ETF in Asia. Its new fund will contain the same structure as the Block ETF but trade under Samsung's name. However, the Block ETF also contains other ETFs that directly track the Bitcoin price. Therefore, if Samsung's structure is truly identical, that means it will be the first Asian ETF to be partially backed by cryptocurrency. According to statistics in 2022, there are a lot more Ethereum whales than holders with large sums of Bitcoin. In fact, while the top 100 richest Bitcoin addresses control 14.08% of the circulating supply, the top 100 richest Ethereum addresses hold 39.81% of all the Ether today. From the top 5 richest Ethereum addresses, 5.17% of the ETH supply is controlled by the wrapped Ether contract, 1.78% of the ETH supply is held by the trading platform Kraken, and 1.68% is held by Binance. Many of the 100 richest Ethereum addresses are centralized exchange platforms and decentralized finance protocol reserves. After the 57 largest Ethereum address, the majority of the rest are unknown wallets or simply whales. The top 5 addresses include wallets called Light, Lock, Zunade, Block Whale 0072, and Blue Whale 0073. I will attach a link below about the detailed analysis report. If you are interested, click on the link to find out more. Just a day before the start of May, Bitcoin has declined from its $40,000 mark, hovering around $38,000 along with tracking losses in stocks. Even alternative cryptocurrencies or altcoin did not disturb, causing traders concern. On the other hand, the S&P 500 has also decreased, where it's expected to trade on the track of its worst start to a year since 1942. Nevertheless, though the year-to-date returns of the cryptocurrency are leaning towards a negative end, overall the crypto is still up by 16% from its 24th of January decline of around $33,000 when in comparison with the S&P 500. Overall, the cryptocurrency market is floating in a sea of red against Bitcoin's performance. Historically, on average, Bitcoin acquired an average return of 17% in the month of May. Seasonally, even stocks trade heavily, providing buyers with an opportunity to enter the market. However, historical returns do not guarantee future returns. How do you think the crypto market will perform in May? Feel free to leave a comment below to share your thoughts with me. If you like this video, please click the like button, share, and subscribe to our channel. Hope you enjoy our weekly video from a crypto girl, Angela Baby. See ya in the next video.